Good job, Sawyer. You're doing a good job. You're sitting up like a big boy. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Don't sit too far forward. There you go. Oh, boy. Hi. How you doing? Oh. Good job, Sawyer. What are you looking at? You see the print? You see the zebras and lions and hippos? Here's your Nunu. Hi, Dodger. Oh no, you're sitting real far forward. Oh no. Oh, that's fixed ya. Uh-oh. Can you get yourself back up? Can you get yourself back up? No. There you go. Ciao, Dodger. Uh-oh. Okay, bye-bye.